If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload strategy from ChatGPT in TradingView. Now, on your TradingView account, you'll see below a Pine editor. There, you will put or upload the strategy you will copy from ChatGPT. Now, go to your web browsers. It's either Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. It's up to you. And search for ChatGPT. In here, you will prompt to ChatGPT to create a Pine script since TradingView use a Pine script since that is the programming language of TradingView for creating a custom trading tools and strategies. Now ask the ChatGPT to create a PineScript strategy for TradingView and it will generate you a customized code for your strategy on your TradingView. Now, once the script is done or already generated by ChatGPT, you can now copy it on the upper right corner of the script. As you scroll down now, click on that and then go to your TradingView account now, and below you will see here a panel where includes stock screener, Pine editor, strategy tester, replay tracing, and trading panel. Now, open the panel by clicking this arrow up button and you will see here the Pine editor. Click on that in order to apply the code you copied from ChatGPT. Now delete the sample code and then paste the copied code you copy from ChatGPT and then save it by clicking this button and then name it to your desired name. So as you can see here, I encountered an error. So take note that I think PineScript doesn't accept a break space. So in this case, we'll try to fix it since the error is just a line continuation now. In this case, we'll have to reposition the next script, which is the script number 32 and 33. We'll need to position it on line 31. So on with the next syntax, which is the line 34 to 37. Now, once you're done, just click the save button. So you can now test it to strategy tester if it's working. So as you can see here, there's no error. Now go to your strategy tester, click this load your strategy button, and then select the personal. As you can see here, your saved script from Pine Editor. Now click on that to apply. And as you can see here, it already applied here in strategy tester. And that's how you upload strategy from ChatGPT in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.